I'm Mark Dixon. I'm from Springfield, Missouri, and for the most part, I'm involved with my wife at her business, and I do the billing and data management there for her operation. Having a Merrick Bank card has added a lot of convenience to my life. I do a lot of purchasing online. Plus, a lot of the things that are of interest to me are only online. I can't get them any other way. And so having an opportunity to access those items with the Merrick Bank card made it very, very smooth. I would tell anyone who has received an invitation for a Merrick Bank credit card, they should accept it right away, because it's invitation only, and it means that Merrick Bank's been looking for them. They've identified them as a person who's credit worthy or who's working on improving their credit profile, and that their goals are going to align perfectly with the offer that Merrick's making them. So I wouldn't hesitate.